After over 2 decades of redefining action cameras and the Hero 12 being underwhelming, GoPro is gearing up to launch its next flagship, the highly anticipated Hero 13. As the company faces stiff competition from rivals like DJI and Insta360, the pressure is on to deliver a game-changing release that keeps GoPro at the forefront of the industry. While official details are still under wraps, a flurry of leaks and rumors has given us a tantalizing glimpse into what the GoPro Hero 13 might have in store. Let's dive into the leaked specs and see what we can expect from this upcoming powerhouse. If the leaks prove accurate, video quality could be the Hero 13's biggest selling point. Whispers suggest the camera may finally make the leap into 8K territory, an industry-leading resolution that would put it head and shoulders above predecessors like the Hero 12, which topped out at 5.3K. But resolution isn't everything. The Hero 13 is also rumored to offer blistering high frame rates, with 4K capture at a butter-smooth 120 fps potentially on the cards. Imagine the cinematic slow-motion possibilities. While GoPro has traditionally focused on video, the Hero 13 seems poised to be a photographic force too. Leaks point toward a staggering 32-megapixel photo resolution, blowing past the 27-megapixel sensor in the Hero 12. But GoPro may have bigger plans than just megapixel counts. The word is, the Hero 13 could harness deep learning AI to improve low-light image quality and noise reduction drastically. If implemented well, this cutting-edge tech could give GoPro's low-light game a much-needed boost. GoPro's hypersmooth stabilization has been a game-changer, and the Hero 13 will likely double down with Hypersmooth 7.0. Rumors suggest this latest iteration will build upon features like Auto Boost, which intelligently adjusts stabilization based on movement, and Horizon Lock, which keeps your horizon perfectly level even when panning 360 degrees. Imagine how smooth that epic biking footage could look. While GoPro's GP2 processor remains a capable workhorse, the action cam world moves quickly. There are whispers GoPro may introduce a beastly new GP3 chipset with the Hero 13, potentially unlocking performance gains, better thermal management during intense shoots, and maybe even 8K video powers. A generational leap in silicon could future-proof the Hero 13 against encroaching competition. One thing's for sure, the Hero 13 will be built to GoPro's famously uncompromising durability standards. Like its predecessor, it will likely sport waterproofing up to 33 feet, shrugging off the elements and extreme action with ease. And while the exterior design may only see subtle refinements, that rivals have mimicked iconic form factor for a reason. It simply works. With no official word from GoPro yet, when can we actually expect to see the Hero 13 hit shelves? Past form suggests a September 2024 unveiling could be on the cards, giving GoPro a perfect pre-holiday launch window. And if those rumored €399 pricing whispers are legitimate, the Hero 13 could deliver exceptional value too. Only time will tell if these leaked specs prove accurate, but one thing's clear. The Hero 13 is shaping up to be an action cam force to be reckoned with. From potential 8K video coding to AI-boosted imaging, game-raising stabilization, and the tantalizing prospect of a new homegrown GP3 chip, GoPro seems poised to double down on what they do best while pushing boundaries. So whether you're an extreme athlete, YouTuber, or just someone who loves capturing life's adventures, the Hero 13 could be your new go-to companion. The action cam wars are heating up, and if these leaks are on point, GoPro may have a few aces up its sleeve still. Consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching.